Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to dive deep into the process of updating your Snapdragon Adreno GPU drivers to the latest version, v782. This update can potentially boost gaming performance and enhance overall graphics quality on your rooted Android phone. Before we get started, it's important to be aware that this process is not guaranteed to work on every ROM. Some ROMs may have compatibility issues with this particular module. As you can see on my phone, there are some visual glitches that occur after the update. So, proceed with caution and at your own risk. To complete this update, you'll need the following: a rooted Android phone with a Snapdragon processor. The Magisk module for updating Adreno drivers, download link in the video description. A Magisk or kernel SU app installed on your device. Open your Magisk app, go to the Modules section. Tap the plus button on kernel SU to add a new module. Select the downloaded module file and install it. The installation process may take a few minutes. After the installation is complete, reboot your device for the changes to take effect. Once your device has rebooted, you can verify the updated driver version using apps like Hardware Info or Hardware Caps Viewer for Vulkan. These apps will show the GPU driver version under the Graphics or GPU section. You should see the driver version as v782 after the update. As mentioned earlier, some ROMs may have compatibility issues with this module. If you encounter any problems after installing the update, such as visual glitches as I'm facing on my phone, then uninstall this module. Updating your Snapdragon Adreno GPU drivers to the latest version can potentially boost gaming performance and enhance overall graphics quality on your rooted Android phone. However, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks and proceed with caution. If you have any questions or encounter issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.